morning, students. Today we are discussing about topic climate of India. Fourth lesson. Climate, the state of atmosphere condition of elements of like sunshine, temperature, atmosphere, pressure, winds, humidity, clouds, and precipitation over an area at a particular time. For example, 30 years or 10 years or 1 year. That refers to weather and climate. The climate refers to such conditions there over a large area and India particular, North India or South India, and follow a similar general pattern at a particular time, even 30 years or more years. Indian climate very hot, Indian climate very dry. That is the climate in more 30 years. Now weather is referred to day to day, day by day, and seasons. There will be variation is there year to year and day to day, but the basic pattern remains. A particular place, the same on the basic of these generalized conditions, and humidity, precipitation is all. The year is divided into seasons. Change the temperature. Winter season, rainy season, summer. That's the temperature changes. Climographs mean show the average monthly value of maximum temperature. For example, summer season 40 to 45 degrees is there, and winter season that is 60 degrees or 70 degrees is there. That is maximum temperature to minimum temperature and rainfall. These are show the climographs. Now factors. Climate and weather depend on the factors influencing climate and weather. It has been observed that for same place, for example Chennai, the different temperature is there, and Delhi, that North Indian, that is also different temperature. But the factors are different. The factors that affect climate are called climatic controls. Climatic controls mean 4 points is there. That is the first one, latitude and land water relationship, and third, relief, fourth, upper air circulation. These are very important. First one, latitude, already know, tropical as those close to the equator. Equator very near, more temperature is there, and polar, north polar, south polar, very cold temperature is there, as those close to the poles. And second, land water relationship, the amount of sunlight that is the first observed and then radiated backward directly. For example, land may categorize a slow, fast observation is there, and remove the fast. Other water, slowly observation and slowly remove the heat. That is the land water relationship. And third one, relief. Already you know first lesson. Relief feature is there. Deserts, mountains, hills, plateaus. These are. This increase as a altitude, increase the hills and mountains. The particular relief features is there. And fourth one, upper air circulation. This the German word trade. Trade means track and a very flow the winds. The stands for blowing steadily in the same places, north or south places. For example, is the Rajasthan. The climate of India is also affected by the movement of upper air currents known as the jet streams. Jet stream is very fast flowing air currents in the atmosphere. Thank you.